Hello there, beautiful people. You want to know how to create a drop-down menu on your Shopify store in less than 2 minutes? That's exactly what I'm about to show you, and let's just get to it. The first thing you're going to do is access Shopify dashboard, and after that, access content menu from the left menu right here. Click on it, and after that, click on menu. And you should see some menus in here. In case you don't, you can simply create menu and name it main menu or header menu or whatever. In my case, I'm gonna already have one. Let's just assume you created the main menu. After that, you should see this one, maybe it will be all empty. So you should see this button that says add menu item. Click on it. I'm gonna add collections in my case. So I'm gonna add collections. I'm gonna name it collections. In your case, make sure you name it whatever you wanna add. And in the link in here, I'm gonna click on collections. I'm gonna select all collections, so it has a link. Now, after that, click on the plus button again to add a new one. This time I'm gonna add jewelry, and I'm gonna set it to collection jewelry because I know I have jewelry. What is it? Here it is. Now we added the link. You can add some tags if you want. This is for SEO purposes. It's optional as you can see. Then click on done. After that, click on the 3 dots or 6 dots right here below beside the name. Click on hold and drag. Click on hold and drag to the right, and it will be nested below the collection. And this is a drop down. This is the first drop down. So let me create another one. Let me name it shoes. I'm gonna set the collection for it to footwear. I'm gonna add another one again, tech. I'm gonna set the collection for it to tech accessory. Now, if I click on save, I will get back to my Shopify store. I will reload the page. By the way, I just added this section, animated scroll, completely free. Let's just reload the page. And now I can see a new menu in here says collection, as you can see. And if I hover over it, here it is, jewelry, shoes, tech, and some products. This is based on your team. Some teams have this functionality, some teams don't. And to adjust the location of the menu in here, you simply click again on the 3 dots for the main menu and drag up. To check out the other menus nested below, click on the arrow and you can see all of them. You can add or remove whatever you want or edit. Now, if I click on save, it will change position beside categories. Let's just reload the page again, and here it is, as you can see, collections beside categories. And that's how you add a drop-down menu on your Shopify store. If you have any more complicated questions, drop me a comment below, or if you need help with your Shopify store, make sure to reach out. But for now, I think my job is done. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.